Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. Hello, welcome to another mystery package times. Yes, and this is a mystery because I don't know what's in here. I've ordered some things. I don't think this is one of them because this is quite heavy. It has been delivered by a lovely UPS guy. Wow, I'll say that sentence again. It has been delivered by a lovely young UPS man who turned up and he said, "Here you go, mate, package for you." And I got this package and I'm like, it's a squishy thing, and I'm like, I've not ordered any like t-shirts and stuff. Wait, my name isn't Michael Patel. What? Hey, I said, do you want to come back? I got the wrong parcel. He went, "Oh, sorry mate, it's not even my address." And he went, "Oh, hang on, no, I have got one for you." And he went back and he got the right package, and he was getting rained on all the time and he looked a bit grumpy, and I was like, "You're not having a good day, are you?" He went, "No, I want to go home now." Poor delivery guy. So yes, this parcel has turned up. It's in a Hobby Link Japan box. I suspect it's not from Hobby Link Japan. I suspect it's a Rebox. Now I've got a few things, like I said, that I've delivered, that I've ordered, that I'm waiting for. I don't think it's any of these. I have. That's it. That's all I can think of. That's all I can think of. This is not anything I've ordered, so I don't know what this is or who it's from. So there's only one way to find out. I've got to do it. I've got to do it the proper way. Oh, fail. Let's try that again. Hello. There we go. Unleash the knife of opening the boxes. That was just embarrassing. Right, so let's have a look and see what this may be. Hey, rhymed. I'm a poet and I know it. So yes, I've got no idea what this is or who it's from. This could go horribly wrong. It's quite heavy. So let's find out without any further ado. Oh, hang on. Now I know who it's from. Hi Fox. After my recent visit to see the Puffin Master, Scottish Islands, in Orkney, I decided you must be running low on Puffin feed and need some liquid refreshment. Hope it meets with your approval. Many thanks for the inspiration and support. Mike Mountain. Thanks, Dad. Right, now we know who it's from. It's gifts and happiness from Mike Mountain. Love Mike Mountain. He's just a top bloke. Right, so I can now guess one of the things that might be in here. Let's have a look and see. Straight away I can see extreme happiness occurring. Oh, look at that. We've got wrapping paper. Look at that. It's brilliant. I'm only joking. We have two. God, they're heavy. We have Orkney vanilla and Orkney variety fudge. I love me fudge. I love fudge. Fudge is the best thing in the world. I love vanilla and I love variety. We'll find out what's in that one. Vanilla, rum and raisin, chocolate and stem ginger. Ooh, ginger. I've never had ginger fudge before. That's really heavy. That's actually quite, that's like a pound. In fact, I can tell you exactly how much it is. It is. Does it have a weight on it? 4 times 100 grams, so 800 grams. That's me puffin food. See, that's what puffins eat. That's what puffins eat. Hang on. Let me get him. Right. What do you think? Yeah, get off. Get off. See you later. No. Get off. You have to wait. You have to wait. You wait over there, away from the fudge. Fudge. Orkney fudge. Thank you so much, Mr. Mike Mountain. That's going to go into my face, not very slowly. What else do we have? We have, yeah, a little placemat with a puffin on it. Cool. That'll be my default placemat now for my enormous cup of happiness, because it's got a puffin on, and it's much better than my current one, which is this one, which is an old throwback from my detailing days. So I just threw that at myself. It just bounced off my face. You can tell I'm excited. So that will become my new default placemat. Thank you so much. Oh, what else have we got? Oh wait, we've got another placemat. Skitter. skitter or scoor. Uncontrolled loose bowel movement. I had a right dose of the skitters. Scoor. I had a bad case of diarrhea. For those that you don't know, I'm making my Imperial Skitter, which is the thing for e-models, this thing. And I used the name Skitter as in to move fast across the surface, to like skitter across the surface, because it's a recon vehicle. Then Terry says to me, Terry over at Smooth Dungeon, Smooth Cave, says, you know, skitter means to have a really like loose crap, right? He says it with a better Scottish accent than me. He's probably Scottish or something, I don't, he might be. So yes, so that is what a skitter is. It's a loose bowel movement. So I am making an Imperial loose bowel movement for e-models. Yes, brilliant. That might actually become my new placemat. What I might do, I might stick this up somewhere on my workbench, and I might use that as my placemat. So thank you very much. Oh, and then more for Highland Park malt whiskey fudge and chili fudge. I'm up off camera there, aren't I? Chili fudge and malt whiskey fudge. My life. These are going to get tried first, especially that one, and then that one, and then this one, and then I'll have a bit of that, and then that, and then this, and then there won't be any left. I might share the other fudge with Mum. This is mine. These are mine now. Oh, awesome. Now there are two other things in here, and I can see what they are. They are strangely bottle shaped. Let's have a look. I love when I get beer. Yeah, let's have a look. I'll get them out before I look at the label. That's one. And t'other one. Right, let me just get rid of that stuff, and then we'll have a look at the label. Beardo. Beardo beer. Cultivating the finest facial furniture is a complex task. The discerning beard wearer deserves a tipple of hoppy intensity to complement their efforts. Cut through the fuzz with hints of a fruity citrus zing. An IPA for serious beardos. I am, you may have noticed, a serious beardo. I do have the face furniture. This will complement my face furniture perfectly. I do like me a nice IPA. Oh, what's the volume on this? 6%, blimey, Riley. That'll keep me happy tonight. Oh, 6%. There we go. That's the gifts, the wonderful gifts. Carefully place the box on the floor. Oh, it's fudge and beer. I can't get better than fudge and beer. See that on shot? That's in shot. Yes, fudge and beer. Oh, Mike Mountain, thank you so much. Let's get them in camera. Let's get them in shot, dear. I really appreciate these. Thank you so much. It was very, very heavy, and now I know why, because it's got beer, and these things weigh a ton. Wow. Mike, thank you so much, Dad. That's absolutely awesome. That's absolutely lovely. By all accounts, Mike had a really, really nice time in Orkney, chasing puffins and hanging out with Scott for a week. Scott, I will come up and visit you at some point. I must do that at some point when I can. Come up and say hello and chase puffins across things, and then maybe bring a box of puffins home with me. I've got the food, so I need to come and get some puffins now. So I'll have to do that one day in the future. But I'm not a big traveller. I'm not a big traveller, you see. So yeah, it's a big thing for me to travel anywhere. It's a big thing for me to travel down the road to the shop. I mean, that's a lot of effort. So yeah. Anyway, Mike, Mr. Mountain, Dad, thank you so much. That is absolutely awesome. These will last about 5 seconds. These will get drunk tonight, and I might let Mum have some of these. I might. You know I will. I will, of course I will. But thank you so much. That is beautiful. I'll just go away and drink this now. Bye. Now I'll drink them with my tea tonight. But anyway, thank you for watching. Only a quickie, but thank you for watching. Lovely gift from Mike Mountain here. What updates do I have? I've not done a lot of posting up in the last few weeks because we've had building work next door. I've started work on the diorama for the Imperial loose bowel movement, which you saw over there. Once that is done, hopefully get that done this week, then I can crack on with the Master Grade Strike Rouge Uotori, hopefully this week or next week. So fingers crossed. The skitter build should hopefully go up later on this week if I get everything done. And for patrons, and then a week later for everybody else, and then we can make a start on the Strike Rouge, back to the Gunplers. So do stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, as always, do go and check out the Model Maker's Boom Hut facebook.com/groups/model boom hut. It's the best group on Facebook for model making. We're dead friendly, we're dead nice, no one hates anybody, there's no rivet counting, we don't allow it. And as always, don't forget, if you'd like to help support this channel, you're more than welcome to. Just visit me at patreon.com/modelmakingguru, where you can help keep this channel going. But that's going to do us. Thank you so much to Mike for these wonderful, wonderful gifts that I will apply to my face, apart from these two, which I will not apply directly to my face. And thank you to you all for watching. So until next time, go make something awesome. Go be awesome. I'm pointing at you now. I'm pointing at you there. You watching with the face and the eyes and the looking. Go be awesome. It's like 3D, isn't it? It's like cheap 3D. Whoa. I'll shut up now. Adios, amoebas. I don't know what, do I want the beer? Oh, do I want the beer first or the fudge? I want the beer, but I want the fudge. But I want the beer, but I want the fudge. But I want the brain explode.